Imagine earning a lucrative income through simple YouTube shorts using the power of ChatGPT and Canva. In this video, I'll reveal the secrets behind a faceless YouTube channel that consistently generates $1,000 to $15,000 every month. Yes, you heard it right. This channel is earning a substantial income each month. How are they doing it? By posting captivating shorts about fascinating and intriguing facts. But here's the exciting part. I'll show you how to replicate their success step by step using a powerful combination of ChatGPT and Canva. Stay tuned, because this could be your ticket to creating your first successful YouTube channel. Before we dive into the details, let me share a little story that inspired this groundbreaking video idea. It all started when I was casually scrolling through YouTube Shorts while sitting on my toilet seat. Just as I was about to close the app, a video caught my attention, a short about a psychological fact. Intrigued, I clicked on the creator's profile and discovered a treasure trove of fascinating facts. That's when the idea struck me. Could I do the same? And the answer is a resounding yes. Now let's jump into the juicy details. Our first secret weapon is ChatGPT. I'll guide ChatGPT to generate captivating psychology facts that will leave viewers yearning for more. Don't worry, I'll provide the magical prompt in the video description so you can follow along easily. Imagine a captivating first part that instantly hooks your audience, followed by a second part that keeps them engaged for a short period of time. Once we have our collection of mind-bending psychology facts, it's time to organize them. We'll head over to Google Sheets, a fantastic free tool by Google, and neatly arrange all the facts. Now, it's time to bring these facts to life using Canva. If you haven't heard of Canva, it's an incredible online design tool that will be our creative ally throughout this journey. First, we'll find a quote video template that suits our style. Once we have the template, we'll add our first fact to it. To make the video visually appealing, we'll add a semi-transparent black shape on top and place a title at the top. Copy the relevant data from the sheet and place it accordingly.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want.
By right-clicking on each text, we can adjust the show timing to create a seamless flow. To add a touch of excitement, I'll fast forward the video with some epic music. And voila! Our video looks pretty cool, right? Next, we'll search for the bulk option in Canva. Please note that it's not available in the free plan, but the good news is that Canva offers a 1-month free trial. After signing up for the trial, we finally have access to the bulk generate option. We'll click on Enter Data Manually and make sure to clear the table before proceeding. Now, we'll copy the first 20 facts along with the column headings and paste them into Canva. Press Done. Here comes the fun part. We'll link each column to our on text. By right-clicking on each text, selecting Connect Data, and choosing the right option, we ensure that all data points are connected. Don't forget to place the second part in its designated spot. Click Continue and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, Canva will generate 20 copies of this design, each with a different fact. Remember, I selected only 20 facts to demonstrate the process, but you can continue this method for all 600 facts. We'll head back to the design and change the background video. Feel free to play around and make further changes if desired. For now, I'm simply replacing the video. Now, we'll repeat the process we just did to import and design the next 20 facts. Using the bulk option, we'll replace the previous data with the new one and generate 20 more designs. It took me approximately 57 minutes to generate all 600 designs. With our masterpiece ready, it's time to export from Canva. Make sure to tick the Download Pages as separate files option. The next step is to create a YouTube channel, which is relatively simple. I've created one as an example and added a logo and description to it. Now let's upload our short. Remember, the success of YouTube Shorts lies in attention-grabbing thumbnails and titles. So, we'll spend time crafting compelling thumbnails and titles that perfectly complement our video content. In the settings, ensure to add relevant tags to your short. Once all the necessary details are added, our video is ready to be published. From here on, it's all about your dedication, research, and consistency to create an income-generating YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exciting update. Wishing you all the best on your journey to YouTube success. Until next time.